When he gets it, 1, 2, 3. Hang on, darling, because it's his birthday. His 67th birthday.
Happy birthday.
And he's a Londoner. He wants to do a touristy thing. Well done, Daddy. You want a closer one? Come on. All right, Daddy, that's enough.
Ay, delay yan ka. Delay yun. Delay yun.